Welcome. As you listen to my voice, you don't need to do anything special. There is nowhere you need to go, and nothing you need to fix. This is a moment just for you to turn inward, to listen to your body, and to allow understanding to replace tension. Let your attention soften, and allow yourself to be guided gently at your own pace. Now gently bring your awareness into your body, not to scan it perfectly or to change anything, only to notice. Notice your breath, the natural rhythm of it. Notice your face, your jaw, your throat. Notice your arms, chest, your belly. And as you continue listening, you may begin to notice that the sound of my voice becomes less something to think about and more something to follow. Thoughts don't need to stop. They can come and go on their own. And somewhere between listening and drifting, your body already knows how to settle into this rhythm. You might notice your breath changing slightly, or your attention narrowing, or a gentle sense of distance from the outside world. There's nothing to make happen. Just allow your awareness to follow the spaces between the words. And as those spaces widen, your inner world can come a little closer. That's right, you're not going deeper. You're simply allowing less effort. Somewhere in your body, you may already sense a place that feels sensitive, tight, withdrawn, or quietly resistant. That's enough. Let your awareness rest there. Now, without forcing any memory, allow your mind to gently drift back to a moment in your life when you felt disgust. Not necessarily the worst one, just the one your body chooses to show you now. You don't need to see it clearly. It might come as a feeling, a sensation, a knowing. Stay with the body's experience, not the story. This was the moment when your body said no. Now imagine turning toward that part of you that felt disgust. The part that noticed something was too much, too close, not right. And gently say to that part inside, thank you. Thank you for warning me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for sensing what I couldn't yet name. Feel what happens in your body when that part is finally acknowledged. It no longer has to shout. Now allow this sentence to form gently inside you, I forgive myself for not reacting. I forgive myself for not setting a boundary. Not because you failed, but because at that time you couldn't. You didn't have the tools. You didn't have the safety. You didn't have the permission. Say inwardly, I did the best I could with what I had. Let that land, not in your mind, but in your body. Notice the softening. Now allow a subtle shift to occur. You are no longer that version of you. Say quietly inside, now I understand. Now I know what this feeling means. The lesson has been learned. Your body no longer needs to store this emotion as tension or resistance. It has delivered its message, and the message has been received. Now let these affirmations sink into you slowly. You don't need to repeat them, just let them be heard. I trust my body's signals. I recognize my boundaries in time. I am allowed to say no. I am allowed to step back. I choose what comes close to me. I protect myself with clarity, not tension. My body no longer needs to hold this lesson. Let your nervous system adjust to this new knowing. Now bring attention back to your breath. Take a slow inhale through the nose. And a long, gentle exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale. And exhale. With every breath out, allow any remaining residue of that emotion to leave your body naturally. No effort, just breath. Before you return fully, take a moment to feel gratitude. Gratitude for your body, for its intelligence, for its protection, and quietly say, "Thank you for taking care of me." When you're ready, begin to move your fingers, your shoulders, and gently open your eyes. Carry this with you. You don't need disgust to protect you anymore. You understand the signal now. Lesson learned. Before you return fully, take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Even a small shift matters. If this way of working with emotions feels right for you, you're welcome to follow this space and subscribe to the channel to continue this work together. Take care of yourself and move gently back into your day.